In Edit mode, select the edges where you want to add decorative edges. Duplicate the selection and separate it to a new object. With only the new object selected, go to Object, Convert Curve. Give the curve some depth and enable Shade Smooth. If the object has more complicated geometry, like a 3D scanned sofa, it's a little different. Turn on Snapping to Face and project individual elements. Select, duplicate and separate one vertex. Extrude it to create the edge by pressing E or holding Ctrl and right-clicking. Convert it to a curve and give it depth as explained before. If you want rounder corners, subdivide some vertices and smooth them a few times. If you like this tip, you'll also like the Blender Secrets ebook, with more than 1,000 pages and more on the way. By clicking on a topic in the index, you are transported to the relevant pages. And clicking on the link at the bottom of the page takes you back to the index of 400 plus topics. To see the corresponding video on a topic, simply click on the topic title. Updates are always free for customers both on Gumroad and Blender Market.